Dear user, thank you for choosing Mobilint's REGULUS EVK. Here's a quick guide to help you install and use the product safely. REGULUS EVK is an evaluation board kit built on a world-class, high-efficiency AI SoC for on-device AI. It integrates a high-performance CPU, powerful AI engine, and versatile data interfaces like USB, Ethernet, and MIPI, enabling complex AI inference even under strict power, cost, and space constraints. Here's how to install the product. First, open the package and check the product. REGULUS EVK includes a development board with a mounted SOM and a power adapter. We recommend using the included 12-volt DC adapter. To connect with a host PC, prepare a USB Type-A to Type-C cable and plug it into the USB Type-C port on the bottom of the board. Connect the power cable. Plug the other end of the USB Type-C cable into the host PC. Turn on the power switch and REGULUS will boot immediately. You can check its status via the onboard LED. Power on the host PC. You can now test your development applications on REGULUS. REGULUS EVK offers multiple interfaces for video, audio input and output, communication, and debugging. Here are important safety precautions when using REGULUS EVK. That concludes the installation guide for REGULUS EVK. If you need assistance, feel free to contact us using the information above. Thank you.